In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open PDF document in same tab in Google Drive. Let's start by getting into Google Drive from the Google homepage. Open your web browser and head to Google. In the top right corner of the page, look for the grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps Launcher. Click it to open the menu of Google Services. From there, choose Drive. This takes you straight to your files. If you prefer, you can also go directly to Drive by typing the Drive web address into your browser. But the Apps menu is a quick, reliable path if you're already on Google's homepage. Once you're in Drive, open any PDF from your My Drive or a shared folder. Notice what happens by default. The PDF opens in a new browser tab. That's the behavior we're about to change, so your PDFs open right inside the same tab, keeping your workspace tidier and reducing tab clutter. To make that change, stay in Google Drive and look again to the top right corner. Click the gear icon to open the Drive Settings menu. From the small menu that appears, choose Settings. This opens a panel where you can adjust how Drive handles different file types and behaviors. Inside Settings, find the option labeled Open PDFs. Select Preview. Choosing Preview tells Drive to open your PDF files in the built-in Drive viewer in the tab you're already using, instead of spawning a separate browser tab. Settings in Drive save automatically, so there's nothing extra you need to confirm here. If you don't immediately see the Open PDFs section, scroll within the Settings panel. It's typically under the General area. Now go ahead and refresh Google Drive so the change takes effect. You can use your browser's refresh button or the standard keyboard shortcut to reload the page. After the page refreshes, you're ready to test. Open a PDF again from your Drive. This time, it should open right in the same tab within the Drive previewer. You'll still have the familiar controls like zoom, print, and download, but you won't be kicked into a new tab each time you view a document. If it still opens in a new tab, try refreshing once more and confirm the preview option is selected. Occasionally, a browser extension that forces links to open in new tabs can override this behavior, so temporarily disabling such extensions can help with troubleshooting. That's it. You've adjusted a single setting in Drive to streamline how PDFs open, making your browsing and document review more focused and efficient.